Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint an NFT on Phantom Wallet. We'll cover everything from preparing your digital art to successfully seeing it in your collection. Minting an NFT on the Solana blockchain, especially with Phantom, is a straightforward and cost-effective process. You'll learn how to leverage this powerful combination to bring your unique digital creations to life. Let's dive into the exciting world of NFT creation. Before minting, ensure your Phantom wallet is ready. You'll need a small amount of Solana or SOL to cover the network transaction fees, which are typically less than $1. Next, prepare your digital asset, whether it's an image, video, or audio file. Select a Solana-compatible minting platform like Metaplex or Sol-C. Finally, organize your NFT's metadata, including its name, a compelling description, and any unique attributes. Now let's mint. First, securely connect your Phantom wallet to your selected minting platform. Once connected, upload your digital asset and accurately fill in all the metadata fields, including the NFT's name and description. You'll also set your royalty percentage, often ranging from 5 to 10%, ensuring you receive a portion of future sales. Carefully review all the details, then approve the transaction in your Phantom wallet to complete the mint. Congratulations, your NFT is minted. Immediately check your Phantom wallet's collectibles tab to confirm its appearance. You can then choose to list your NFT on a Solana marketplace such as Magic Eden or Sol-C to offer it for sale. Always remember that while Phantom itself charges no fees, network transaction costs apply. Most importantly, safeguard your wallet's secret recovery phrase. It is the key to your digital assets and should never be shared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.